Welcome to JH. I decided to give Alpha Lion Burn 2.0 a try because I wanted a stimulant-free metabolic kick without the sensation of my heart trying to escape my ribcage. What stands out immediately is how light and smooth the liquid shot is, providing a gentle warmth and a sense of hydration rather than the jagged spike of a caffeine hit. Because clearly, nothing says hardcore workout like a supplement that feels like a cozy internal hug. The Grapazilla flavor is surprisingly pleasant and isn't offensively sweet, which is a miracle in an industry that usually thinks fruit flavor means liquid candy corn. It's a zero-calorie, sugar-free formula featuring 2,000 milligrams of L-carnitine along with MitoBurn and Calorie Burn GP, all produced in a CGMP facility for those of us who actually care what we're putting into our bodies. However, don't expect a spectacular fireworks display from this one. It's a subtle supporting player in your fitness journey, not a magic potion that melts fat while you binge-watch reality TV. If you're expecting the scale to move significantly without actually fixing your diet, you're in for a reality check that no amount of Grapazilla can fix. While many appreciate the steady energy and metabolic support, others might barely feel a thing depending on their tolerance levels. It's basically the participation trophy of fat burners for some users. You should also be prepared for a potential aftertaste, some mild stomach drama, and the inevitable sticker shock when you see the price. Keep your expectations grounded and your wallet ready.